Hi guys, welcome to Asapu Art. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Fevicryl Mouldit. It has resin and hardener in it. It's a 800 grams pack and it comes for rupees 250 only, as you can see it. Now the materials required are the mold packets. I have a pen knife, I have a small rolling pin, and I have two flower stencils which I'm going to use to cut out the flowers, and a scissor, and I have a plastic sheet beneath it. I'll tell you why I need it. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing is that I'm going to cut out my resin and hardener packets. Okay, you see this is white in color, the resin, and the hardener is darker in color. So many of you keep asking questions like the basics of the resin and the hardener, how to mix it, and sometimes it happens that it doesn't get hardened even after mixing. So here I am using talcum powder to place it on the plastic sheet. Okay, so it's very important that we have some talcum powder or any sanjeera powder. You can use it. Okay, I am just putting on my palms too, so that it doesn't stick to the surface. This plastic sheet will help us remove the mold easily out of it. Here I am taking equal amount of the resin and the hardener, placing them equally, and then I take a pen knife, applying little powder onto the tip, and then I'll cut equal amounts from it. The resin and hardener should be equal in amount, and then we'll start mixing it. So I am mixing it over here. I am just trying to put some talcum powder on my palm so that it doesn't stick to my palm. Okay, so maybe I've dropped more of powder. That much powder is not required. Okay, so now when I try to mix it, the color will change into a whitish or a creamish color. Till then you need to mix and uniformly. You should mix it properly. You should not leave it like this. It should look like a proper dough after you mix it. You can see the change, the color change in itself. The hardener will get a cream color over here. Okay, so I'm mixing it. So anything you try to carve or mold, a flower or any sculpture thing, you can just use Mouldit for it. You know, it's easily available and the cost is also very minimum, I suppose. So compared to others, I do a lot of work with Mouldit. Now you can see the color has changed to a cream color. It's quite even. Okay, now these, if you keep it just like that without carving or just taking out a shape out of it, you keep it like this, it will harden off very fast. Within 60 to 90 minutes Mouldit takes to dry. Okay, so that's very important. You cannot keep it for long like this, it will get hardened. So after this I just make a ball out of it, and I'll use a rolling pin. Again over here I'm just applying a little powder, and I'm just rolling it out. Now I am using the rolling pin and using the stencils to cut out the flowers and leaves out of it, and then I can remove it from the plastic sheet using a knife. Only because if I'll keep it on newspaper, maybe it will get just dried off. Okay, so the next thing is that I can take a small piece. I'll just roll it off, and I'll try to create a leaf. Okay, you can see first I took a roll. Okay, first I'll take and make a ball out of it, and then I'll press it from the edge to keep it a drop shape like this. And see, it's all with the fingers. Okay, now the next thing I do is I take the pen knife and try to create some impressions on the leaf like as it is on the real leaf. Okay, and then the veins, you can just add some powder to the edges if you want. This is how you create a leaf, and then you can just, after it get little hardened, you can give any kind of formation to it, just a folded leaf kind or any kind. See how it is folded from the top like that. So hope you're clear with how do we use the Mouldit. More tutorials coming on Asapu art, so please subscribe to my channel, and I suppose you'll love it. More items to be produced with the help of Mouldit. Bye, see you next time. Here you can see some of the products I've created using Fevicryl Mouldit. This flower vase, this unicorn is completely with Mouldit, and the next one will be a key holder. I've created the tree, the house, the pots using Mouldit. Hope you guys liked it.